Hey there, watch lovers. Today, I'm diving into a full review of the Rolex Yacht-Master II. Is it worth the hefty price tag? Let's find out. First off, the Yacht-Master II is a beast. At 44mm, it's one of Rolex's larger timepieces, making a bold statement on any wrist. The stainless steel case and the signature oyster bracelet scream luxury and durability. Now let's talk about the dial. The white dial is stunning, and those blue hands and markers add a pop of color that's both classy and sporty. But the real star here is the programmable countdown timer. If you're into yachting, this feature is a game changer. It's precise and easy to set, perfect for regattas. Under the hood, we've got the Rolex Caliber 4161 movement. It's automatic, with a power reserve of about 72 hours. That means you can let it sit for the weekend, and it'll still be ticking come Monday. And of course, it's QoS certified, so you know it's reliable. Now the big question, is it worth the price? At around $18,000, it's definitely an investment. But if you're passionate about sailing or just love high-end functional watches, it's hard to beat. It's a blend of luxury and practicality that few other watches offer. So there you have it. The Rolex Yacht-Master II is a stunning piece with some serious functionality. Whether it's worth it, that's up to you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.